Sammy and the Brave Butterfly. Sammy was a shy caterpillar who dreamed of becoming a beautiful butterfly. One day, while resting on a leaf, he noticed a butterfly soaring high in the sky. "I want to be brave like that butterfly," Sammy thought. He decided it was time to spin his cocoon and transform. Sammy worked hard, but he felt scared about what was coming. Days passed and finally he felt a change. He broke free from his cocoon and spread his wings. At first he was hesitant, but soon he found the courage to fly. Sammy soared through the garden, feeling free and light. He realized that being brave meant facing his fears. When he landed, he saw other caterpillars looking up at him in awe. Sammy smiled and encouraged them to believe in themselves. He shared his story, inspiring them to embrace their journey. Sammy learned that bravery comes in many forms and that believing in oneself is the first step toward achieving dreams. From that day on, he spread kindness and inspiration, becoming a symbol of hope for others.